Okay, hi. Today what I want to look at is I want to introduce a product to you at Google, a Chrome extension called G Suite Training. And what it does is it literally offers you specific training on Google Pages. Now it doesn't work on every Google site, like it doesn't work on YouTube, for instance, but on a lot of them it does. So I'll go ahead and show you a quick run through on it, and then I'll show you kind of how it works more in depth. So if I'm on my Gmail, if I'm on my email page, I can say I just don't know what to do. Well, if I go up here and click on G Suite Training, all of a sudden I get this menu, and it's based on context. So whatever on the page is going to lead it to, is going to determine what pops up. So getting started with Gmail, composing and editing and sending, working with inbox, organizing emails, searching for email, etc. Now, because it's context dependent, over here I've got my chat windows open. I'm not using them at the moment, but if I scroll down here, farther on this list, all of a sudden I get Hangouts, chat Hangouts, video Hangouts, Hangouts for phone calls. So it's context, it recognizes context. All right. Now, here's where one more spot where it gets a little more interesting. So I go over to Calendar, and sure enough, I already opened it clearly, right? Getting started with Calendar, create and manage events, working with Calendar, etc. So we can go over, you can tell I already tried this with everything, right? So if we go over to Drive, there's that question mark up in the corner again. We open it up. Getting started with Drive, working with files, sharing files, searching for files, changing settings. We go over into Google Docs. That's right. Yes, I already had it open. There's that question mark again. We open it up. Creating and working with docs, editing and formatting, inserting objects and organizing content, right? Creating a new site. Now, this is where it gets interesting even more so, right? Because what happens here, a lot of us aren't really certain how to make a website. So this is why I want to focus on this one, right? You can use this feature that I'm going to show you is the way it works in every application. I'm just going to show it to you in Google Sites because I think Google Sites is something that a lot of us have trouble with because it's hard. It's actually an easy web editing. It's easy to make web pages on there, but making web pages can seem like a very daunting task. This breaks it down and makes it fairly simple. I should probably work on this one, huh, Karen? I'll get back to you on that. So let's say I come here to sites.google.com and I really want to make a web page and I really don't know how. Okay, so I go up to this question mark here, Introduction to Sites home screen. I could watch the introduction, but I don't need to. Navigating, building sites. I want to build a new site. So let's try it. Create a new site. That seems pretty good to me.
Creating a new site. Click on the large Create button on the left-hand side.
So what you see is it pops up an actual tutorial. It's not text. I mean, it is text. There's text right here. But it's reading it to you. It's being very clear. And it's literally pointing to you where to go. So let's follow it.
A menu will open where you will have the option to create a new site using the classic version of Sites or the new version. For these lessons, we will be using the classic version, so please click in Classic Sites now.
Click here. Well, okay. This one is a little bit longer than the others. I'm actually going to cut it off in the middle of this, but I'll let you start it so you can see it here.
By default, your site will be created with a blank template. This allows you to customize how your site is laid out. There are also many pre-made templates available which can be found in the gallery here. If anyone inside your organization has shared a template they designed, you will find it available here.
And you can see that it's specific to my Google Drive, right? To our organization, because what it shows here, this is parkwayschools.net. It's got something from Spark on here, right? So this is not just some pre-made, right? It's adapted to this organization. It uses my actual drive. So it's not just showing you the way it should be in Google world when someone made the video. It's specific to what I have and what I can see, and it literally points you to where to go. We're not gonna sit here and watch the entire thing. I'm not gonna make an entire website, but the idea is that once you walk through this video, or this tutorial is a better word, it's not really a video, it's a walkthrough, you will have the basics of a website built. And you don't have to flip back and forth screen to screen. You don't have to find another website and print something out. It will literally walk you to it, and it will point at the spot that you should click and tell you to click there and why. And it will do that for you on almost any Google application. It's a really slick tool. Now, how do we get there? To get there, I like to just search for it directly. There's other ways. Type in G Suite Training into your search bar. Not shockingly, it'll pop up. Usually the Chrome Web Store comes first. If not, you'll look for it, or you type in Chrome Web Store after G Suite Training. It's going to be a little different on mine because I've already added it. But you'd click Add to Chrome, go through the steps, and then it'll show up. It's very slick. It's very cool. If there's a Google application that you're really not sure how to use, or you want to learn something a little more in depth, or you've never even it sounds interesting, but you have no idea what you're looking at, take a swing at it. Just try it out, add it to Chrome, and the next thing you know, you're going to have this G Suite Training on all these pages. Very, very useful, very, very helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.